Hello, everyone.
Hello, Michael.
Welcome to the stream.
Yep.
I am the glowy person you see on the right side in the in our gallery here. I'm Michael, and we have Taylor with us.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Welcome
Hopefully,
to
my
another
lighting
stream.
situation will be a little bit better once our ceiling gets fixed. But that's better than no video at all, which we had last week.
Yeah.
So we thought it would be a cool idea to do a stream where we teach Taylor how to code.
Yeah.
And why is this, Taylor? Why are we doing this?
Well, we're doing this for a variety of reasons. I want to learn how to code because, believe it or not, folks, coding can really help if you're an accountant. Because you can help make scripts that will help automate your life and your accounting firms. But
Mm-hmm.
also, having the skills to code helps with a lot of different situations. And so I thought, what better way to try to teach accountants and others how to code than have Michael, who is an experienced software developer, teach me how to code.
Yep.
Right? What a better way to do that? And we're going to do it all accessibly as well.
Yes. So this whole thing is going to be accessibility related. And in fact, I'm not writing a line of code.
Nope.
Taylor is.
Yep. It's going to combine accessibility, finance, and programming.
Yep. So you will hear text to speech because Taylor uses it. That's her natural way of using a computer. So you can learn a little bit about screen readers and things like that from this class.
Yes.
And so what I want to do is go ahead and fire up VS Code, create a new directory for these lessons.
Okay.
So what are we going to call it?
Programming accessibly?
Yep. So create a programming accessibly folder and then create a folder in there called
class one or
class number one or class one.
All right. Michael, by the way, I think you're like I can hear myself. I don't know. Something's weird.
That is because the door behind you is open. If you could go close that, that would probably help that.
All right, just let's see. Hold on, just 1 second, folks. I'm gonna close this door so I don't hear myself because it kind of drives me crazy. All right, think that's gonna be good, Michael?
You shouldn't hear yourself as much now.
All right. Christian Birdling says, "Is chat working?" Christian, chat is working great.
Yes.
You're audible.
Fantastic. These are kind of fun. I like these because I am like looking at Taylor in gallery view, and I really like gallery view in Zoom.
Yeah.
Because we can focus on who's talking, and it, at least for a low vision guy like me, it really helps.
Yeah. So chat's working. We're going to be doing some text to speech. If you guys are in chat, go ahead and say hi. These are going to be really fun. I'm super excited about this.
All right, let's go ahead and share your screen.
Okay.
Or do you want to make the folder structure and then share, or do you want to put all that on?
No, let's go ahead and teach everyone all this. All right, folks, I have shared my screen. You guys hear my screen reader, so
share preview WND.
We're going to do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a
screen share meeting controls window.
Oh my goodness gracious. Folder view. Okay, I'm going to open up a terminal, and this terminal will have my.
Tay, I'm wondering, based on our last stream that we did, would using the VS Code terminal be just around more accessible?
Well, Michael, that's exactly what I'm going to do. And if you guys haven't checked out our last stream, you guys should. It was pretty epic. We talked about GitHub Copilot, so you guys should check that out. Michael, I'm going to use the VS Code terminal, but are you saying to use the VS Code terminal to create a new project?
Yes.
Because that's something I've never done before.
I think it should work, actually. I think that should work just fine.
Okay. So you're gonna have to teach me this because I don't know how to do it.
Okay. Go ahead and open your VS Code.
Okay.
Visual Studio Code. This is kind of fun, folks. So we want to, I think you already have a terminal window, or you have a bottom window open already.
Yeah, yes. I should have to press open.
Terminal 1, power.
Control tilde.
Okay. Now.
Should I get rid of the other terminal because I think something's blocking the screen? Or am I just daydreaming?
No, everything's up here. You do have zoom controls. It did open your previous project though, so you may want to close that.
Okay. So just close what?
Close the current files you have.
Okay.
List item. Main land. Caret W. Caret double. Caret W.
Whoa.
PSC. Main landmark. Group 2 left.
Is anything open?
I don't see anything open now, so
Alright,
you're
that's
good.
fine.
Okay, let's get in your terminal.
Okay, Control tilde.
Terminal 1, comma, PowerShell use CTRL plus up arrow and CTRL plus down arrow to navigate the terminal buffer edit blank on white blank. PSC colon backslash users backslash tailor backslash.
I'm gonna shut
So
that up.
let's go ahead and change to the directory that you want to create this in.
I'm just gonna do it in documents for now.
You
So
put
let's
some
see.
characters in, by the way.
PSC.
Of course, when I press backspace, it doesn't read them.
Okay, so go ahead and go to where you want to create your new project.
PS. CD colon cannot find path fix.
Oops.
PSC colon backslash users backslash tailor backslash documents backslash test integrator.
Okay.
C.
I'm
Space.
gonna do dot.
Dot. PSC colon backslash users backslash tailor backslash documents backslash test integrator. CD.
Make your
PSC colon
folder.
backslash users backslash tailor backslash
Oh.
documents grader.
Okay, see. MK.
M. K. Space. P. R. O. G. R. M. I. N. G.
And then do you do capital letters, Michael, for your, like, accessibly?
Yes, capital A.
A. C. C. E. S. S. I. D. L. Y.
Nope.
Oh.
Nope.
Directory
Nope.
colon
That
C
was
colon
a
What do I
backslash
do?
users
typo.
backslash tailor backslash
What do I
documents
do?
mode last right time length name 4 dash
Yeah,
13 dash 6 dash 4 dash D 5 dash 1 slash
Oh,
15
yeah?
slash 2023 8 colon 42 PM programming accessibly PSC colon backslash users backslash tailor backslash documents grader.
Okay, crap.
You're back in your documents folder. Press up arrow.
Blank. PSC colon backslash.
That creates a new.
You did have a typo in Accessibly. ACCESSI. No, you didn't. Okay, that was fine.
Okay, I was like, wow.
Yes,
Okay,
you-
hold on.
It didn't read all the letters.
No,
PSC colon backslash users backslash tailor backslash documents
it
grader.
doesn't always do that. Oh, okay. So
Okay,
CD.
so go ahead and now type CD space and then your
Space.
folder name.
P. R. O. PSC. PSC colon backslash users backslash tailor
Okay,
backslash documents backslash
now
programming accessibly grader.
just do code space period.
C. Space. Dot. PSC. Visual Studio Code. Document very light gray on very dark gray.
Of course, that's the color reading, which I've
Okay.
turned off. But yeah.
So it did create a new window for VS Code.
Okay.
So you do want to go back to your previous window and get rid of it.
Testing it Visual Studio Code row 1.
Right,
Testing it dash
get rid
Visual
of
Studio
this
PSC colon backslash users backslash tailor backslash document. Programming accessibly dash.
Get rid of it.
Testing it dash
Oh,
Visual
no.
Studio.
Go ahead and get rid of this window.
Oh my god, how did I
PSC.
get rid of this?
PSC.
It's a whole window,
landmark.
not a
New
sub
parent.
window. So
Testing it dash
Okay,
Visual.
hold on.
Context close C. With
My
programming
Alt
access.
F4 was being very, very finicky.
Context mirror store move side minimum maximize it. Programming.
Okay.
okay. So now we have you're in your new window. So you can go and create a new file, and we're going to call this
Or a new folder.
a new folder. So you can make a new terminal window here
Okay.
and make a new folder here. I'm sure you can do it in
Windows
VS
Power-
Code as well, but
I'm just doing that right here. Yeah. I'm in the folder, right?
you are well, you could use insert up arrow to find out.
Actually, in this
Blank.
terminal, you can't because
Cannot,
it
okay.
just says blank, 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 blank,
So press down arrow. Let's see what happens.
Blank.
blank.
Okay. All right. So yeah, you are in the right folder though.
Okay.
Blank. Blank.
So if I
PSC colon backslash users backslash tailor backslash documents
Hey, I've got
backslash
a
programming
question.
accessibly grader.
what's that?
Type PWD and press enter.
PSC colon backslash users backslash D. Path 4 dash C colon backslash users backslash tailor backslash documents backslash programming accessibly PSC colon backslash users.
Okay.
It
PSC
does
colon
work.
backslash users backslash.
Yes.
It even formats it all pretty fine too.
I know. Do you want to explain what that is for people who may not know?
PWD stands for Present Working Directory.
Okay.
It's a Linux command, but apparently it works on Windows too.
Because this is a PowerShell.
So let's go ahead and make your new folder.
Okay, so MKDIR.
MPADIR space.
Do you do capital or how do you handle file? We should probably talk about like in the terminal how you handle file names. Like do you do capital first? Or
So
just lowercase?
here's what you could do. I want to show you a trick. This should work. Put a double quote
Okay.
Quote PSC colon backslash user.
and type class 1,
C
class
A
space
S
1.
space 1. PSC.
And
Quote.
now go back and capitalize the C, please.
Quote. 1 space SSALCL
Okay.
C PSC colon backslash users backslash tailor backslash documents
Okay.
backslash programming accessibly greater
Ready?
quote last one quote
Yeah.
PSC colon backslash C directory colon C colon backslash users backslash tailor backslash documents
Okay,
backslash
so
programming
letter.
accessibly mode last right time length name 4-13-6-4-D5-1/15/2023 colon 46
So it looks like that works.
PSC colon backslash users
Okay.
backslash tailor.
So now, if you go back up into VS Code, you'll find there is a new class 1 folder.
Yes.
All right.
Yep. But we wanna. I need to actually switch into that. So.
Yep.
C space C PSC colon back PSC colon backslash users backslash tailor backslash documents backslash programming accessibly greater CD tick dot backslash class 1 tick PSC colon
Alright,
backslash
here we
users
go.
backslash tailor backslash
We're in
documents.
class 1.
Okay. So I want you to make a new file in the class 1 folder called hello.py.
Okay, so I'm gonna do. Let's see. What I just do? How do I? Cause do I do code?
No, you wouldn't do code. You need to get out of your terminal
Okay.
Main
and
landmark 1 left parent empty right parent section.
just create a new file like you
Left 1
normally
collapsed 1
would.
level expanded.
Okay.
Main landmark untyped.
So we're gonna do Control S.
Save as type blank
I'm gonna
selection
do,
removed.
Hello.
AELLO
And period.
dot PY.
Enter.
Untitled dash 1 dash programming accessibly dash visual
Alright,
studio
here we
code. Hello.py dash programming accessibly dash visual studio code document application. Main
Good,
landmark. Hello.py
good,
editor as
good.
autocomplete multi-line
Okay.
very light gray on very dark gray blank.
Yes. So now what I want you to do is we're going to print something to the screen.
All right.
So we're going to type print left parentheses double quote hello
R-I-N-E.
world.
Left parent star quote. H-E-L-L-O space W-O-L-D. D quote.
Okay.
Okay. And then just get out of, you're going to get to the end and, you know,
Parent.
you have double quote right parentheses and make a new line. Okay. So we just printed something to the screen. Now we can run it through VS Code or you could do it through your terminal. You can run, there is a run button in the toolbar. I don't know how to access that.
Is it F5?
Most likely, yes.
Quick input list Python file comma debug the currently active Python file 1 of 8.
This?
I don't think so. That's weird. Usually
Here is comma
F5
Python file comma
runs.
debug the currently active main landmark. Hello.py editor as
Okay.
autocomplete multi-line very light gray on very dark gray blank. Windows PowerShell copyright left
What is
parent
this?
C right parent Microsoft Corporation dot all rights reserved
Runs
dot
in
install
the
the latest
terminal.
PowerShell for new features and improvements bang https://aka.ms/ps windows warning
God.
PowerShell detected that you might be using a screen reader and has disabled PS read line for compatibility purposes. If you want
So
to
it
RE
did
dash enable
work.
comma untick import dash module PS read line tick
Yeah,
dot
but it's
PSC
reading
colon
all
backslash
the
users backslash tailor backslash
Yeah.
documents backslash programming accessibly greater Windows PowerShell copyright left.
So that didn't really work that well. It read a whole bunch of nonsense.
But I do see it down there. It did work. It says hello world.
Okay. So should I just press? I want to be able to have it read. So.
Go ahead and tell it to run again or however you did it.
Print left parent quote hello world blank.
Let's see.
Terminal 2 comma Python D.
Oh no. I have
Main
two
land-
terminals.
No, you're
Yeah,
in your
but-
terminal. You're in the right place. You closed it.
Terminal 2 comma
Well, it's a terminal too.
So press up.
PSC
Press
colon
up
backslash
there.
users backslash tailor backslash
Okay.
documents blank PSC colon backslash users backslash tailor backslash documents
Oh,
backslash programming
no.
accessibly greater and tick C colon backslash program 5.
Yeah. See.
Well, that works. Yeah.
Okay. Python.
PYTHON space HE.
Yeah. Just
Unsure tick tick 53,700
no.
tick tick dash dash.
Oh no.
it put the full path to Python.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Blank unsure tick tick blank
Oh no.
blank
Crud.
So it put a lot of text up there.
zero backslash back
Okay. Do I just get rid of? How do I do all this?
2 fry P.
Oh my goodness.
Just keep holding backspace and I'll tell
This
you
was
when
not a
it's
good
done.
Right.
idea, folks. Don't do this at home. But if you're in chat, go ahead and say hi while I'm trying to deal with this.
So just type Python space and then the name of the file.
PYTHON space CAALTAELLO. PSC colon backslash users
Is that it?
Yep.
It's
hello world PSC colon backslash users backslash tick.
Hello world. We did it.
Yes, we did. All right. So we're going to add a little. So why do we print things to the screen?
Well, we print things to the screen so that they are able to be shown up like that, so that they can show up for the user, or like We just do it so it will show up on the
Mhm.
screen.
Now, here's a question.
Okay.
Are we always, when we use print, are we always printing to the screen?
Yes.
No.
Okay, explain.
So, like in JavaScript, we have a console.log, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you're using Node.js, that prints to the console. However, print, like say I have a graphical application and I don't have, or say I'm using Django and all the debug stuff goes to the console, or maybe we are printing to somewhere else. Print will go to that destination if we tell it to. So and I never understood this, but there's two things, and you saw this whenever I was doing the JavaScript thing. There's two statements, stdin and stdout, std out. One is standard input, one standard output. Standard input is the keyboard. Standard output is the screen.
Yes.
But the input and output could be a file or anything.
Interesting.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we just printed something to the screen. Now, we, and we've talked about this before, but we have variables, right?
Yep.
And we just showed those on the previous screen. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of our current print statement, and we're going to start off with a whole new file.
Okay. Well, we want to keep it right for our GitHub.
No, we're going to expand on it.
Okay.
But
So are
just
you
start
gonna?
from scratch right now.
Okay. So are you gonna explain what all this is so that people are
Yes, I am.
understanding? Okay. So let me get rid of the terminal by
Mainland.
this. So just get rid of everything.
Yep.
With left there,
Control
like-
A and delete. Yep.
Got it.
Okay. So what I want you to do is type name equals Taylor in
Okay.
quotes.
So name.
N-A-E space hello dot equals space quote T-A-Y-L-R-R-O-L-Y-A
Okay. So basically what we've done is make
quote
a
blank.
string,
Okay.
right? A string is a type of variable. And in the future, what I would like to do is do a live share session.
Oh, you would.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Because I would like to just type sometimes, you know what I mean?
Do you want to set that up right now so we can explain how that works?
No, not right now.
Okay.
Maybe after we finish with this file.
Okay.
Okay. So we have name equals Taylor.
Birdling. Do y'all know if VS Code works with JAWS as well as it does with NVDA?
So we do have a chat message, Michael. Do we want
Yes,
to
I heard it.
do
Yep.
that? Okay. Oh yeah, you did hear. Duh. I keep forgetting to share my screen.
I think it does, doesn't it?
Yeah, but I prefer NVDA. It seems to work a lot better, Christian. I do prefer NVDA over JAWS. That's just my personal preference. But if anyone else is watching, go ahead and chat us.
Okay. So we're going to see all the various ways to print this. Okay.
Okay.
So go ahead and press enter.
Name equals quote blank.
So we already have one way from Copilot, and we're going to do that one. So I want you to press tab.
Okay. And if you haven't learned about Copilot, go check out a previous stream.
Right parent blank.
Now
Name
see
equals
what
left
it
parent
typed.
quote hello comma quote plus name right parent.
Hello plus name.
So that's string concatenation. Now
Okay.
the hello is a string already, right? So
Yes.
we have print hello, and that's a string, right?
Okay. Yes.
A string is a series of characters. It's more than one character, right?
Right.
There, in some languages, I don't know if Python has one, it might, but there is actually a character variable type.
Oh,
Okay?
really?
Yes, which holds one character. Technically, a string is an array of characters.
Okay.
In fact, we're going to try that in just a minute. And let's see what Python will do with it. Now, go to the end of your line there and press enter.
Blank right blank.
Okay, and we're going to do the same thing. So type print
P-R-I-N-T.
Left parentheses.
Left parent. Star values colon. Object.
F.
F. Suggest list. File equals 1 of 17.
Double quote.
Quote. Hello.pyeditor as autocomplete multi-line very light gray on very dark gray print left parent. F quote quote right parent.
So what we're gonna do is type
Quote.
Okay.
hello,
So
H-E-L-L-O.
comma, space,
Comma. Space.
and then left curly bracket.
a brace.
Tick. Tick.
Yep.
Left bracket.
Oh
Left
no.
bracket.
Wait, like a
Left brace.
this.
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
And then type the word name.
N-A-M-E.
Right brace.
E. Quote.
Right.
Right bracket.
Oh.
Right bracket. Right brace.
Brace.
Okay.
Yep. Double quote, right parentheses.
Right quote.
Okay. Double. So wait. Okay. So I already had a double quote.
Right parent. Blank.
Okay.
Okay. So both of those do the same thing,
Okay. So
right?
do you want to explain what that does?
So we call these F strings. We can format, basically it's where we have the same string, but we're embedding our string into, it's a formatted string. We're embedding it in there, right?
Yes.
Okay. So it's just a different way to do the same thing. So go ahead and press enter.
Okay.
Right blank.
Okay, we're going to do it again. Print left parentheses.
E-R-N-T. Left parent. Star values colon.
And what we're going to do is do double quote.
Quote.
Oh, this one. Yes. Copilot, you're a genius. Press tab. Now examine this.
Print left parent. Quote. Hello, comma. Left brace. Right brace. Quote. Dot format. Left parent. Name. Right parent. Right parent.
This is the format that I hate.
Why do you hate this? Because we were taught this in school.
Because, well, I think this works in 2.7 and earlier versions of 3. To me, it just looks tacky. Like, the readability is just terrible.
So do you want to explain what this one does? Like it's format.
Sure. So we have print left parentheses double quote hello comma space double. And then two braces. And then a double quote, and then a period, format, parentheses, name, right parentheses.
Bleh.
Just don't like it. I don't like it.
So folks, don't ever show that kind of code to Michael.
Yeah. So basically what it's doing is we have a print statement just as we had. Then we have in the string hello, comma, space, the two braces. The two braces signify that something should be here. And we use, after the double quote, we're adding something, a function on the string, which is format, parentheses, name. Now, we could add other variables here by using a comma after name and that kind of thing, but we're not going to do that right now because I just hate this format of writing strings, and we're not going to do it. Yeah.
Don't
I'm
like
a
it.
teacher. I can be opinionated.
Yep. And y'all just have to deal with, like I said, if you're in chat, what do you guys think about this format of strings? I want to hear your opinion. If you guys have opinions, let me know. Chat.
Okay, press enter.
Yep.
Right blank.
Okay, so what we want to do now, we're going to try something I don't think you've done before, Taylor.
Okay, what is that?
We're going to write print,
Okay.
P-R-I-N-T.
left parentheses.
Left parent. Star values colon.
Oh, this is another one. This one's
you-
actually kind of interesting.
Do you hate this one?
Yes, I hate it just as much.
Okay, tab.
Press tab.
Print left parent. Quote. Hello, comma. Percent S. Quote. Percent name. Right parent.
Oh, yeah. What the heck is this one for?
Percent S. We're replacing. I think that's more regular expressions kind of thing.
Or wait, isn't this called like a placeholder? Or,
Yeah, we're using
yeah.
placeholders.
Bleh.
So again, don't care for it. Next, press enter.
Okay.
Right blank.
Copilot's taking us down a rabbit hole, and we'll get back to the thing that I want to actually show in just a second. Print left parentheses.
Okay.
P-R-T. Left parent. Star values colon.
Let's see what we get this time.
Tab.
Okay, it's now doing the same thing. Just wrote it slightly different. Okay, so what we're going to do is type the word name.
Left parent. Right parent.
Name.
N-A-M-E.
Actually, no, backspacing, remove name.
Oh.
Hello, right parent, N. Right
Okay.
parent, N. Left parent, right parent.
Okay.
So do a double quote
Quote.
and type the third character in.
What?
Type the words, the third character in.
T, E, space,
Oh.
space, E, T,
Oh crap.
T, H, I, I, F, T, H, I, R, D, space, C, H.
Oh god, wait, character. Oh my god. Oh, you know what charge would be? Wait, I don't know if it's filling it in for me. Is there suggestions?
There is, but I don't want you to use it. I don't like its suggestion.
Okay.
H,
I
quote.
don't know. Wait, character? I don't know how to spell it.
CHARACTER.
A, C, T, E, R.
Okay. In.
Mm-hmm.
Space, I, N, space.
And then go ahead and do. Let's see. Type my name.
Wait.
M, Y, space, A, M, E, space.
IS. So
IS,
is.
space.
And then do a double quote.
Oh, another one?
Mm-hmm.
Colon,
Oh.
colon.
Blah.
Quote.
Okay.
Windows PowerShell
Space.
copyright root parent.
Hold on. Oh. What happened?
You moved your focus.
Green share. Circle hello dot
Okay.
I,
Let me get rid of this
Main
terminal.
quote, right parent. Quote, space, quote.
Okay,
Space, S,
so.
Get after the quote.
space. Quote, right parent.
Okay.
Put a space.
Space.
Plus.
Plus.
Space.
Space.
Name.
N, A, M, E.
Left bracket.
Tick. Tick.
I cannot touch this.
Line
Folks.
E. E. Right bracket.
Ah.
Back, right bracket.
Bleh.
E.
Okay.
Right parent.
I guess it's slate.
Right bracket.
Jesus.
Right
I
bracket.
hate getting the left.
Left bracket.
There we go. Ooh.
The number 2.
Oh,
Two.
indexing.
Yep. And then right bracket.
Two. Right bracket, right parent.
Okay.
Yep. So,
Do I have to do another quote to end it?
nope, because we had double quote. The third character in my name is double quote plus name, left bracket, 2, right bracket, right parentheses.
Right. Do you want to explain what that does?
So what we've basically done is, remember, we've talked about how strings are arrays. An array is a list of items.
Yes.
And so we've taken the string and we've broken it up by character. Ooh, that sounds fun. We're going to do that.
Okay.
Not on this lesson,
No.
but we're going to do it on the next one, which will be today, actually.
Wait, what?
Yep.
We're doing, wait, 2 of them at the same time?
We're going to do 3.
Wait, what?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead and let's run this and see what we get. Let's see if it's what you think. So make sure to save it.
Oh, yeah. That might be helpful.
Terminal 3, comma.
Okay.
Greater, greater, greater.
Uh-oh. We're in the Python interpreter, folks, which basically is a Python environment to type.
Quit, left parentheses, right parentheses.
Yep.
U, greater, U, T. Left parent, right parent. TSC, quote.
Okay, so Python? Because I don't think it has history.
T, P, Y. Y, Y, P, P, Y, T, H, O, S, space, C, L, A. TSC, A, L, C. T, A, E, L. TSC, colon, backslash, L. Blank.
Oh, not working?
Yeah, press enter.
Hello, comma, Taylor, hello, comma, Taylor, hello, comma, Taylor, hello, comma, Taylor. The third character in my name is YPSC, colon, backslash, users, backslash, Taylor,
Wow,
backslash,
I
documents,
figured
backslash,
that's
program,
what
and
it was
accessibly
going
greater.
to be.
Yep. The third character in my name is Y.
Yep.
Isn't that neat?
Yes.
So did you know you could do that with a string?
I did do that before, but, not really.
So, okay. Now, let's see. I think that's a good example of all the different ways we could print to the screen.
Okay.
So now let's make, we're going to go ahead and jump right on in to functions.
Wait,
So-
right now?
Yes, we are.
So what do I do?
We're going to make a file called functions.py.
Weren't you going to do something else first?
What's that?
Live share?
Mainland.
I can talk you through this part.
Okay. Okay, I was just gonna say, because we do want to show that on stream though at some point.
Yeah, we'll show that on stream.
Okay. So we're gonna. Is it in the same class?
Yes, same class. Class
Okay.
1.
Yeah. So enter. Or I'm sorry,
Untitled
Control N. My bad, folks.
Yes. So
Blank. Switch FUSETIONS.py.
Enter.
good. Okay, press enter.
Untitled -1 program in Accessibly Visual Studio Code. Functions.py
Okay.
program in Accessibly Visual Studio
Good.
Code document. Application. Main landmark.
So
Functions.
what we're
Editor
gonna
as
do
autocomplete
now-
multi-line light.
Sorry.
Is we're going to start it just like last time. We're going to write name equals Taylor.
Okay.
In
And do you
quotes.
want to? Are you going to explain what functions are too, right?
Yes, I am.
Name equals Taylor.
NAME space equals space quote TAYLOR R quote line
Got it.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? I better capitalize.
line quote ROLYATA.
Because you know, folks, if you don't know Michael,
line fees line quote line
he's
fees.
a capital stickler.
Yeah, I'm glad you caught it before I did.
Oh, yeah, he is a capital stickler.
Oh, yes. It really bugs me.
It does. So if you guys are not capitalizing properly when you guys write comments on his channel or whatever, he will get mad. So just saying.
Okay, actually, I'm going to change this up. I
Okay.
want you to change name to first name.
Okay.
Name equal
And you want to explain how to write variables? Because I'm
Yep,
going to write
so
some.
in Python, you do things, if it's 2 words, you do first
Underscore.
word, then underscore, second word.
INRST. Right parent.
Like
right
this.
line. Blank.
Yep.
Line.
Like this, folks.
And then, oh, good. So Copilot is,
Last name.
okay, that's kind of weird.
What? Did
It
it
says-
know?
Last underscore name equals double quote Hawkins.
Huh?
Yep. I don't know where it got that
Where
name
to get that from?
Some programmer was named Hawkins as their last name.
That is like tweet worthy, folks.
Okay, so type last underscore name.
LST.
Shoot. Hold on.
Functions.ps. Line LSA. Line fees line S. Line fees E. Line NAME. Space equals space. Quote. ARNDT. Quote line fees.
Good. Now, press enter twice for me
Oh, why are you gonna press it twice? Why do you do that?
because these are our module variables. These are the variables that are top level to this module, and this is just good programming form to put your, we call these constants or module variables.
Right. That's why I asked you questions so you can explain it to people who may not know.
So it's good to just skip a line because we're going to write a function now.
Okay. And what is the function?
A function is a block of code that runs outside the scope of a function is a block of code that runs when it is called upon. So typically Taylor doesn't know that she needs to go take out the trash.
Right.
But if I say, hey, Taylor, would you take out the trash? Then she says, oh, I could go perform that task. I think that's a really good explanation of how that works, actually.
Right.
And a function can have arguments. So in turning that to real life terms, it could be, Taylor, would you go take out the trash and put it over to the left of the door? So to the left of the door is an argument. It is a something that we're saying that she needs to do. Okay.
Okay.
So let's write this. We're going to create a function that will join the 2 words, first name and last name. Okay.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to write def.
Okay.
Actually, we're going to
List functions.dt.
make it a step
Space.
back. So def space. And what we're going to do is we're going to just create a function that will print the names. Okay, so we're going to type print names, print
Okay.
underscore names.
INT. Right parent.
Oops.
Right parent. Line. NAMES.
And then left parentheses, right parentheses,
Left parent.
colon.
Left parent. Right line feed. Colon. 4 space.
Oh.
Oh.
So Python is a programming language that is based on the fact that code should look nice.
Yeah.
So any code block is indented by 4 spaces.
Or it should be.
Yes.
I mean, people try to do tabs or 2 spaces, but yeah. That's not how we work around here, folks.
So Copilot has already suggested the correct code. So go ahead and press tab.
Okay.
Mode 4 space print left parent F quote hello comma left brace first line name right brace left brace last line name right brace quote right parent.
Okay.
So what this is going to do is print out print left parentheses F, so it's an F string.
F string.
Hello, comma, and then in the braces, first name, and then in braces again, last name, double quote, right parentheses. So let's go ahead and run this, and you can see what it does.
Oh. What? Okay, hold on.
PSC colon P Y T A O N step
Don't
U
forget
N
to
T
save
I
it
O N.
first.
Oh my god, why don't I? I wish it would autosave. I don't know.
Land
I do
P
too.
Y T T Y T P Y T H O N P F U U F space N N space F U N C T I O S slash P P slash S N T N S dot P Y C colon backslash users backslash
Nothing.
Taylor backslash app data backslash local backslash Microsoft
Wait,
backslash Windows
what?
apps backslash Python
What
dot X colon
happened?
config T open file tick C colon backslash users backslash
No file or directory.
PSC colon backslash users backslash Taylor backslash documents backslash programming accessibly greater
Oh, really? It got out of my.
C A S S S S A L C C L L D space C L A P PSC colon backslash users C P C P Y H O N F U N PSC colon backslash users C colon backslash users backslash Taylor backslash app data backslash local backslash
Oh.
Microsoft backslash
It's not
PSC colon
autocorrecting.
land
No, it's not.
PSC colon
Turn
backslash
on
users
the
backslash
meeting
Taylor
as
backslash
well.
documents backslash programming accessibly backslash class 1 greater Python PSC colon backslash
Oh my god. Python.
PSC
you're
colon
being
backslash users
difficult.
Line 1, we have an error.
No, it's because no functions. It didn't work. It didn't work.
So
So Python functions.py. Is functions in here?
type ls.
LPS PSC colon backslash users backslash Taylor backslash documents backslash programming accessibly backslash class 1 greater
Hold on.
What's happening?
I don't think you were in the right folder when you made your files.
Where was I?
I think you were in the root. So type cd space dot dot to go up a
CP
directory.
space dot dot
ls.
PSC colon backslash users backslash Taylor
Yes, maybe because.
LS directory colon C colon backslash users backslash Taylor backslash documents backslash programming accessibly mode last write time length name 4-13-6-4
There they
5
are.
1 slash 15 slash 2023
Because there's a
colon
bug with VS Code, I can't actually create new files in the directory because it doesn't actually work in terms of the thing.
Well, you can, but I think one of the things that you did when you create your folder and you expand it, right?
Yeah.
You didn't press enter on it.
Okay, so I have to press enter on it?
Yes, and when you do that Control N to create a new file, it brings up a full file dialog, so you can pick the folder in the tree view and all those places.
But it should automatically default to the folder that it's in.
It should, but trust but verify.
Okay.
When you're programming, trust but verify.
Okay, so I'll just run it from here and I'll move it later.
Yep, we can move those later.
Yeah.
PYTAON PSC colon backslash users backslash Taylor backslash documents backslash programming accessibly greater Python dot backslash functions dot py PSC colon backslash users backslash Taylor backslash documents backslash programming accessibly greater
It did nothing.
Did you make sure to save it?
I did, but there's a problem.
Ah, yes, there is a problem. Yes, yes.
And you didn't want me to deal with it, did you?
Right.
You're very sneaky, I see.
I will chuck it up to that. I actually kind of forgot about it, but
Wait,
yes.
what? You forgot
Yes.
about it?
Yes, I did forget about it. We need to call the function.
Of course we do.
So let's go back to our code and get to about line 7.
main map code that blank
Line 7, okay.
1 results current line colon 6 comma
So
Here we go.
I like to do that's line 8 now.
Okay.
land
So I like to leave a lot of space between
Yes, you do.
functions.
You do.
It makes things look very readable. So what we're going to do is type in print underscore names and then those parentheses.
PRIT line print line names functions dot type s line
Okay.
feed left parent left right line feed
Okay.
Great. So now we can run it. After
Okay,
you
I was
save it.
like,
terminal free Blank. PSC colon.
This is called a function
Hello,
call.
comma, Taylor, PSC colon backslash users backslash Taylor backslash documents backslash programming accessibly greater.
It ran. I
Mhm.
made a function.
Yes, that is a function call. Now, what we're going to do is go back and we're going to leave all this code here.
Okay.
Main left.
Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make a new function.
Okay.
This is going to combine two new topics.
Okay.
So go ahead and press enter twice because you know, actually
Blank.
above
Line
this
names,
function
blank.
call.
More space, print left parent, no, then blank. Print line names left
Right
blank.
here?
Yes, so press enter twice.
Cause yeah.
Sorry, you just needed to do one. So backspace once.
Oh.
Line feed.
You said
My fault.
twice, so.
So we're going to type def space,
Okay.
D, E, F, space.
and we're going to call this combine words.
Okay.
C, O, M, B, I, N, D.
E.
Line. W.
Oh.
Double line. D. D, E. Right parent.
Ooh.
Right parent. Line.
Get rid
Double
of
R,
the E.
D, S,
Get rid of the
S,
D.
D, R, O. Double line. E, D. E.
Okay.
Line.
Underscore
Oh.
words,
R, D, S.
and then left parentheses,
Left parent.
word one,
Double O, R, D. Line. 1.
yeah, that works. With
Parent,
numbers,
word
you
line
can
two.
just do a one without the
Comma.
underscore.
Word line
That's
1.
fine.
O, R, D. Line 1.
Oh, well, I was trying to be, but should I
Mhm.
get rid of that? I was trying to be Python.
Either way works,
Python.
whichever one you prefer.
What would you do?
Just leave it like that.
Okay, I was just trying to be readable.
So, and then comma after the one,
Okay.
Line. 1, comma, space. W, O, R, D. Line 2. Right parent.
word two, and then right parentheses, and
Colon.
then a colon.
Right parent. Colon. Line feed. 4 space.
Okay.
Okay. So now we're going to type return,
R, E, T, U, R, N. Space.
Okay.
and then we're going to type word underscore one,
O, R, D. Line. 1.
space plus,
Space.
Huh.
Plus. Space.
double quote,
Quote.
space, double quote.
Wait, what? Oh, wait.
Quote. Quote.
There's 2 quotes here.
Yes, it automatically puts 2 quotes.
Yes, what do I do?
Put a space,
Space.
and then your second double quote.
Oh, it's already there. There's 2 quotes here. Oh, wait.
Yep, so go to the right of it,
Line feed.
Okay.
Quote. Line feed.
and then space plus,
Space. Plus.
space word underscore two.
Space.
Hmm.
W, O, R, D. Line. 2. Suggest list. Word line 2, 1 to 1. Function 2. Line feed.
And then enter.
Okay.
2. Line feed.
Okay, so what we've done is we've created a new function with 2 arguments. Argument 1 is word underscore 1. Argument 2 is word underscore 2. Now, we could have done, if we did name joiner, we could have done first name and then last name, but we did this so we did not confuse our variables at the top. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to go down below our print names.
Oh, so go up now?
Actually, no, I want to also talk about this last statement here. Return means we're returning something from the function.
Okay.
And it's nice because in a lot of ways, we have, in other languages, we have to specify what we're returning, like a variable name or whatever. In this, we don't.
Okay.
Python just knows,
Okay.
because Python is awesome. So
Right.
we have return, and we're just doing a statement, word 1 plus double quote, space, double quote, plus word 2. Right?
Sounds
So-
great.
Do you know what this is going to do?
Yes, it's going to take the space between these 2 words and get rid of it.
No.
Okay.
It's going to combine both of the first name variables and the last name variable into one variable. So here's what I want you to do.
Okay.
Go down to line 11, which is already there.
Okay. So go to line 11.
1 results. Current line. 1. 1. Go to line 11.
I don't have
Main
line
lamp.
numbers.
Print
in
like
here,
blank.
but I probably should.
Print like blank.
They're shown.
Oh, but you know what? They don't read. Because I got
Yeah,
to
that's
enable
right.
that setting.
Mm-hmm.
I probably should do that.
Yeah, that's helpful.
Okay, do you want me to do that right now?
Yeah, show people that you can do that.
All right, so we're gonna go to NVDA settings, folks.
NVDA.
And again, I'm gonna be doing a huge tutorial about this sooner or later, so just watch out.
Preference X.
So
Preferences
preferences,
S.
settings,
NVDA settings :
and I have a configuration profile for NVDA that has a coding profile where I have all my indentation. So that's what we're gonna actually edit, and that triggers whenever I open VS Code. So it's a pretty great profile. So we're gonna go to
editing profile code. Braille 3 of 14.
It's called code.
Vision 4 of 4, keyboard 5 of 4, mouse 6 of 4, review cursor set input
Document
commas.
formatting,
Object present, browse mode 10 of 14, document formatting 11 of 14.
tab.
Document formatting property page the following.
And we're gonna go through these different
Font size
options.
checkbox, not font attributes, superscripts and subscripts.
Let's see.
Emphasis checkbox, highlighted left parent, mark right parent, style checkbox, not colors checkbox, check alt plus C.
I'm gonna get
Space.
rid of this colors because it's not even helping us much.
Document information grouping, notes and comments checkbox, bookmarks checkbox, check editor revisions checkbox, check spelling errors checkbox, check all pages and spacing grouping, pages checkbox, line numbers checkbox, not check space, checked.
We're gonna check line numbers. So that will read all the line numbers only in the application of VS Code, not in any other application.
Line indentation reporting : combo box, both speech and tones collapse, alt paragraph indentation, line spacing, alignment checkbox, not table information grouping, headers combo box, cell coordinates, cell border elements, links, graphic list, block grouping, and article frames, clickable report formatting, OK cancel, but apply button, alt plus A, space, pressed category, apply cancel button, OK button, circle functions, dot print line names left blank,
Hey.
blank, print block 4 space blank,
Uh-oh.
return word line blank.
Well, Michael, that's broken.
I wonder if you need to exit NVDA and come back in.
Let me
NVDA
save my
preference
profile.
tools helps configure revert the reset save configuration S, circle function, return blank, start window N,
Let me get rid of this real quick.
start with N,
Okay, I had to restart it because it wouldn't let me. Restart NVDA.
taskbar, circle function, return word blank,
No.
return mode blank,
Interesting.
F combined line,
Okay.
Okay, that's something I might have to look at later, but at least I have it enabled, so. Oops, my microphone just fell over.
Okay.
Alright. I
So-
just fixed that.
And then we'll go to the last line of the document,
The last line?
which is line 11.
Okay.
4 space return word line 1 plus quote blank,
Okay. Right here?
Yeah.
What?
Keep going down.
Oh, after the function calls.
hmm
mode then blank, print line name blank,
Okay.
Okay. So now we're going to type full underscore name,
FULL, line, NAME,
space equals,
space, equals, space,
combine
COMBIN,
underscore names,
NAMES,
parentheses,
right parent,
Oops.
right, left parent,
first underscore name,
FIRST, line, NAME,
comma,
comma, space, space,
Last.
space, last name.
space, LAST, line, NAME, suggest list, last line name 1 to 1, functions dot P,
Parentheses.
right parent, blank,
Okay.
And then a new line.
right blank,
And what we're going to do is type print,
PRIT, left parent,
left
star volume full,
parentheses, full underscore name.
FULL, line, NAME, suggest list, full line name 1 to 1,
Right
function E, right
parentheses.
blank, right parent,
Got it.
blank,
Okay. So why would I ever want to do what I did? What'd you
We
do?
have combined names as the function call. It should be combined words.
Oh, I was like, what are we talking about? Okay, no wonder it didn't work.
full line print left parent, full line name equals combined line, left parent, combined line names, OMBINE, line N, M selected, S left parent, ORD, S. Functions
you
dot
go.
S, left parent, print full line name equals
Now
combined print left
save
parent,
it.
full line name right parent,
So why would we want to do what we just did?
Okay. So basically, I mean, you could just say first name plus last name, right?
Yeah.
But this is showing how we can get a returned variable by combining two strings.
Okay.
Okay. Now, go ahead and run this.
Okay.
terminal 3, blank, PS, hello, comma, Taylor Art, PSC, /users,
Okay. So, hello Taylor aren't was our first function.
Yep.
Taylor aren't is one, we made Taylor aren't into one string.
Yes.
So that's how we can manipulate things with functions.
Yes.
Now, let me ask you this. Do you know what would happen if we didn't have in our combined names? What would happen if we didn't have the double quote space double quote?
I don't know.
Okay. Let's find out.
Okay.
Main
So
landmark.
go up
Right
there,
parent.
remove a plus, and then the
Full line name.
quote, space quote.
Well,
Line names
so in our function call or our return?
Combine words
Blank. Print line names. Blank.
on the
Word space return word line 1 plus quote. Word line 1 plus. Space quote. Space quote. Space quote. Space quote.
This one?
remove
Return.
both quotes and one of the pluses.
Quote select. Space quote selected. Space plus selected.
Right here?
Yep,
Plus word.
exactly. Okay. Now save it and run it and see what happens.
Terminal 3. Blank. PSC. Hello, comma, Taylor Art, PSC, colon, backslash, users, backslash, Taylor, backslash, documents, backslash.
Oh, it's all one word. There's no space between them.
Exactly. Taylor Art is one
Giant string.
one giant string, one word.
Yeah.
And so you can undo and put that right back.
Okay.
Main.
Undo.
Yep, there you go. Save it again.
Save it again.
So I think it'd be a good idea to see if your chat has any questions.
Yeah, I haven't heard. My chat's been very quiet. So if you guys are still here, and even if you're not, if you're in the comments section and you guys are watching this after the fact, we're going to be making this podcast, right, Michael?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what we decided?
Yep.
So
Now, we're going to jump ahead because I'm really excited to show you something.
okay, so we're gonna jump ahead.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I would normally do conditionals next, but we're going to jump on to something new.
And why don't you want to do conditionals right now?
Because I've got this idea of a neat loop I want to show you.
Okay. Are we gonna try to incorporate conditionals too?
We're going to do a whole file on conditionals.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna go to loops next, right?
Yes, we are. We're going to create a new file, and it might be a good idea to make sure it's in the right folder this time.
Yes. Okay. So loops.
Untitled. Select L O O P S.
Are we gonna do live share?
Dot P Y.
We can. I don't need to do it this time.
Items view class 1 not selected. 1 of
Okay.
1. Names
I'd like to
button.
kind
Class
of
1
do
not
that
selected.
at the
Class 1.
beginning of an episode.
Okay.
Item file name. Save toolbar. Save but cancel button. Save but Alt plus S. Untitled -1
Okay.
programming accessibly Visual Studio Code. Loops.py programming accessibly Visual Studio Code document application main landmark.
Alright.
Loops.py editor
Alright.
as autocomplete multi-line blank.
Now we're going to do the same thing. Name equals double quote Taylor Art.
N A E space circle
Or full
loops.py
name.
Yeah. Do full name equals Taylor Art.
F U E E L U F F U such L L plus line N A E space equals space quote T A Y L O R space A R N D T T quote blank.
Got it.
Okay. Now, what we're going to do is I want you to create a function called print character.
Okay. So like that, right? Two down.
Yep.
D E F space O R suggest O P R I N T line
Let's see. Character. What do we say that was? CH.
CHARACTER.
A C T E R
Okay.
right parent right left parent
Okay.
left parent right blank.
That's a colon.
Colon.
So print character.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
So
Colon, blank,
actually in
space.
our arguments,
Oh,
Colon
we need
space
to do.
P R I N T line
Okay.
C
I'm not
left
sure
parent
what we
right
need to do
parent
for
left
that.
parent right parent
we're going to put character underscore string.
C H A R
Oh.
right parent right bracket character line index.
Uh-oh. I pressed tab when I shouldn't have.
You did. Undo.
Full line name
What did I do?
left
You
character line
put two
character
lines
line
of code
X
from Copilot.
E selected
Oh,
character line
okay,
index C
hold on.
C H
Okay,
select
well,
R
let's
selected C
look at
C selected R selected
Alright.
Just undo. Undo.
unselected
All right, there we go.
left parent right parent left right parent
Okay.
R right parent
Character underscore
line S P R I N G
string. Yep.
Sorry, that was my
And
bad.
then right parentheses,
D
Okay.
right parent colon line feed
colon, and yep.
That was my bad on the other code there.
And then new line.
four space
I just got a little tab happy. Okay.
Okay. We're gonna do print. No, sorry.
No, wait.
We're gonna do
Return?
no, we're going to type 4.
Oh. Okay, 4.
Mm-hmm.
F4. Loops.py editor R. Line feed. Space.
We're gonna do
Sure.
um, let's see, type character.
C. C.
Okay.
R. Line feed.
In.
So you have for
Line feed.
character
Space.
space in.
Yep.
Type in.
I already did.
Space R. E.
Oh,
R.
you know
Space.
what? No, I
Line feed.
didn't.
I. N. Space.
Sorry.
Loops.py editor has autocomplete multi-line 4 space for
Type
character in.
character underscore string colon.
Line. S. T. R. I. N. G. Colon.
Okay.
New line.
Colon. Line feed. 8 space.
Print.
P. R. I. J. T.
Oh my
T.
gosh.
J. I. R. P.
Sorry,
P. R. I. N. T. Left parent. Star values colon.
Character.
R. Right parent.
Got it.
Okay. And do a right parentheses and new line.
R. Right line feed.
And press enter again. And then press backspace.
Okay.
Space.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Oh,
backspace
more space
again.
blank. Space.
Yes.
Okay. Now we're going to type print underscore character.
P. R. I. N. T. Line. R. Line feed. Left parent. Character line string colon. Any comma hint.
So then we're going to do left parentheses.
Okay. I already have left parentheses.
Left right parent.
Then full underscore name.
F. U. L. Full. Loops. E. Right parent.
Right parentheses.
Got it.
Line feed.
And because, so what we've done is we've have full name equals Taylor Arndt.
Yes.
And then we have def print character, left parentheses, character underscore string. For character in character string, print character. Right?
Okay.
So what should this do before you go and run it?
I think it should print a character
A character?
or more than one.
What? How many characters?
I don't know. Maybe my whole name or not.
Yes. Actually, let's go ahead and run this, and then we're going to add one more aspect to it.
Terminal 3 comma C D space C L P L P S blank L C space D C greater.
Oh crap.
Q U I T
Okay.
left pair right pair
CD.
greater.
What? Really?
Q U I T
Left
left pair right pair greater.
What the heck did I do? Hold up.
Q U I T left pair right parent greater.
Oh, Michael, what happened?
Hang on just a second.
Greater.
It got me in the interpreter and I can't get out. I did quit. That didn't work.
It's because. Do it again.
Q U I T left parent right parent greater.
Okay. So you need to do a control C.
Greater.
Type exit.
E great X I T left pair right pair
No,
greater.
just exit by itself.
Oh.
E great X I T greater.
You're not in the Python interpreter. The problem that you're having, so you put an apostrophe
For what?
and enter.
Huh?
You have the command that caused this ruckus is you have cd space apostrophe period backslash ci.
What? Really?
Yes.
Okay,
So
so
put an apostrophe.
right here.
Tick greater tick
Enter. Okay.
Greater.
Try the other one, the tilde.
Do
I have a hard time seeing those.
right here. Wait,
Or the
what?
grave accent, one of the two. Whichever
Grov
one.
greater Grov
Yep, graph. Enter.
Yeah, what do you have?
Enter.
greater.
Okay, you're gonna need to close your terminal because you hosed it.
Okay.
Menu toggles filter clear set select all clear filter terminal 2 comma Python debug console PSC colon backslash users backslash Taylor backslash documents backslash programming accessibly greater CTD space CL PSC colon backslash users backslash Taylor backslash documents backslash programming accessibly greater CDC PSC colon backslash users backslash Taylor backslash documents backslash programming accessibly greater CD tick dot backslash class 1 tick PSC colon backslash users backslash PYTAO space LOOP PSC colon backslash users backslash Taylor backslash documents backslash programming accessibly backslash class
Okay,
1
you're
greater
in
python
class
backslash
one.
loops dot py PSC colon backslash users
Okay.
backslash Taylor backslash documents
Okay.
backslash programming accessibly backslash class 1 greater python backslash loops dot py TYLORARNDT PSC colon backslash users backslash Taylor backslash
Okay, it printed. Wait a second. It printed every character on a different line
Yes, it did. There's a print statement for every character.
because it's a loop, so it loops around things.
Yes, it looped through every character in the array, in the list.
I see. Because that's what loops do, folks.
Yes, it is. Now, we're going to make another function.
Okay, let me get out of this terminal.
main landmark blank print line character left blank
Okay, so
space print left no then blank
do I just let's see,
print line character
right
blank
here,
Yep, right there. So
def.
type def.
F space
We're going to type print underscore characters underscore and underscore numbers.
line
Oh.
print line character print line R line S
You press tab.
blank
Oh, it
def
looked
print line
like you
character
press tab.
No, I
Okay.
didn't.
S line
Okay.
feed
I
Print
pasted
characters
something.
underscore and underscore numbers.
character print line S line feed line
Oh my god.
A N D line N U N D E R S
Left parentheses.
star
Oops.
star left parent
Okay.
left right parent line feed
Colon. Wait, no.
right left right parent
Start typing character underscore string.
line S T R I N G character line string A A R A C T E R line S T R I N G right parent
Right
Comma.
parentheses.
Oh, no more
Comment.
arguments.
Nope.
G right parent line feed
Okay.
Enter.
Colon.
Colon, yeah.
colon 4 space
Okay. I love Python. Or I love Copilot. Type 4 space index,
F O R space I N D E X
Index.
comma,
comma
space,
space
character,
Okay.
R line feed
space,
space
in,
I N
space,
space
enumerate,
E
ENUM,
N U M
ER,
E R
ATE,
A T E
left parentheses,
Oh.
left parent iterable colon iterable left bracket line T and enumerate right bracket comma return an enumerate object dot and then DSP semi and then DSP semi iterable and then DSP semi and then DSP semi
Yeah.
R right parent
underscore,
line suggest list character line string 1 of 2
string,
loops dot py G right parent
right parentheses, colon,
line feed
Oh my god.
colon 8 space
print, left parentheses.
P R I S E left parent star value
We're going to do index,
I N suggest list if 1 of 25 N D index loops dot py
space,
space
plus,
plus
space,
space
character,
right parent
right parentheses.
line feed
Got it.
Now, I
Oh my
made one
goodness.
mistake.
Uh-oh. Oh my goodness.
Go to the C in character,
Okay. Right here.
right parent character H C
put double quote, space double quote,
space C
Wait, so put quote double quote here.
yep,
quote space quote C
no, space,
There oh wait,
quote C space
where's that?
yep, double quote,
quote
space, plus,
Space.
space.
plus space
Good. Now
Whew.
get to the end of the line and press
Okay.
enter.
H A R A right parent R right parent
Oh crap, hold on.
R right line feed
Good, okay.
Whew, okay.
Now get to, again, line 11. We love line 11 around
results
here.
current line colon 9 comma character colon 9 dot type of line 1 main land code 4 space land
Backspace?
There you go.
line feed
Nope.
It's okay, I tapped. We're good.
We're still on line 10.
Huh?
no then land print line character left parent full line name right land line
Okay,
feed
right here.
No, you're on line 9 now.
print line character left parent full line name right parent print line character left parent full line name right parent
So I need you to get to the end of line 10 and press enter.
space
We need line 11
results
again.
current line colon 10 comma character
Okay. So
main landmark print line
enter.
space land Space. Right
Oh,
key.
I see what
Right
happened.
space. Select.
Get rid of
Space.
that.
Right. Blank.
Enter.
Okay. So now we want print underscore characters underscore and
E-R-I-N-G.
underscore
Line.
numbers.
R. Blank. S. Suggest list. Print line characters. Line and line numbers 1 of 1. Loops.py. S. Blank.
Okay.
Left parentheses.
Parent. Character line string.
Full underscore name.
F. U. L. L. Line. N. A. M. E. Suggest list. Full line name 1. Loops. E. Right parent.
Okay. Save and run.
Blank.
Why is there numbers involved in this?
So you're gonna see.
Okay.
Quick input list. Selection removed.
Maybe. Oh no.
Defcom 4 space return word line 1.
Why
No,
did
then
you put a
Oh.
print full name at the on line 12?
print left parent. Full line name right parent. Right parent. Full line left print right parent.
Didn't.
Print line VP. Print left
I think
right
it
parent.
probably-
Unselect full line name equals combined line words left parent. Blank.
Whoa! It just jumped to the wrong file, didn't it? What the?
No, you're in the right file.
My print line names left parent. Right parent.
I am.
No, you're not.
No,
you're
I'm
in the wrong
not.
file.
It just jumped to the wrong file. Hold on. I hit the
File
wrong
6. Hello.py not selected.
button.
Functions.py 2 of 3 level 2 loops.py not selected 1 of 1. Main landmark. Print line characters line and line numbers left parent. Full line name right parent.
Are we good?
Print line characters line and line right parent. Blank.
Is that better?
Yep, that's better. Go ahead and run it.
Terminal 2. Blank. PSC colon backslash. TYLORARNDT trace back left parent. Most recent call last right parent colon. File quote C colon backslash users backslash tayer backslash documents
This is
backslash
called
program
error,
accessibly backslash
folks.
class 1 backslash loops.py
Yep.
quote comma line 11 comma unless module greater print line characters line and line numbers left parent. Full line name right parent. File quote C colon backslash users backslash tayer backslash documents backslash programming accessibly backslash class 1 backslash loops.py quote comma line 8 comma and print line characters line and line numbers print left parent. Index plus quote plus character right parent. Type error colon unsupported operand type left parent. S right parent for plus colon. Tick str tick PSC colon backslash users backslash tayer
Okay.
backslash documents backslash programming accessibly backslash main landmark.
Do we have to convert this somehow?
It won't take the index in the print, I think. Let's see. Yeah, oh, duh. We are trying to, okay, so index is an integer. We have different types of variables. So basically, we just tried to add a string to an integer because we have index plus double quote space double quote plus character, right?
Yeah.
Won't work.
Okay.
Now, so what we need to do is go to line 8.
Okay.
Print line character left parent.
Go to 8.
1 results. Current line
Very
colon 8.
helpful
Quick
if I
input
can
list.
have
Go to line 8.
Line
Main
numbers.
landmark. More space print left parent. Index plus quote plus character right parent.
So what we need to do is just change the format. So keyword format. So right at the beginning of the word index at the I.
Right parent, colon, character line string, left
Okay,
parent, number in,
let's see.
character, comma, index,
Oh no.
4,
Uh-oh. It
print
went
left
to the
parent, space,
next
space, space,
Okay,
space,
here we
print,
go.
left parent,
line.
index plus, left I,
Okay.
Type an F and then a double quote.
F, quote,
Now put a left brace.
right brace,
Ah.
right brace, left brace,
Cannot type.
Okay.
today.
Get after the word index.
N, D, E, X,
Okay.
space,
Right brace.
right brace,
Remove the plus.
space, plus,
Remove the double quotes.
quote, space, quote selected, quote, space, plus,
Remove the
Okay.
plus.
select, space, select, C on space, on plus, select, plus,
Okay, backspace 2 times.
space,
One more.
space,
Do I
Okay.
need to add a comma?
Now, no, we don't need a comma. So find character, the
C,
C in character.
Okay.
C,
Put a left brace.
right brace,
Oh,
right brace,
Jesus, folks.
left brace,
Okay, here we go.
And then a right brace after the R, and then another
H, A, R, A,
double
C,
quote.
E, E, R, right parent, right brace, quote,
There we go. Now save it, and let's try to run it.
So we changed it to a.
Yeah, the formatting
Terminal.
function, the F string, understands what we're trying to do. It can process this.
blank, PSC colon, max, too much output to announce, comma, navigate the rows manually to read, too much output to announce, comma, navigate the rows manually to read, TYLORARNDT 0, T1 to 2, Y3, L4, 5, R6, 7.
So basically, VS Code buffer can only read 20 lines.
Oh, really?
Yes, for screen readers. So that's a note, folks. So it's just kind of repeating this over and over again.
So, no, it says 0T, 1A, 2Y.
Oh,
Three.
so it's repeating the number in the character.
Yes.
Oh, no
So
wonder there's numbers. Okay.
so the number is the index, the associated number in the array as the letter.
Huh.
Isn't
Okay.
that neat?
Yes.
Now, see, this is why I think this is more fun than doing the trigonometry and the math that a lot of these programming classes have to do.
Yeah. Oh man, that's a whole rant that I'm not
So-
gonna get into.
Basically, we've done printing, variables, functions, loops. That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Now, do you have a better understanding of these concepts now that we've done this?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so let me ask you a question.
Okay.
We have a 6 with nothing by it in this looped thing. So like we have 5R, 6 blank, 7A. Why do you think that is?
Because it uses indexing, and indexing starts at 0.
Well, that's true, but
The space is the 6. Or sorry,
yes,
yeah,
you
sorry.
are correct. The
Yes.
space, even though it shows up as nothing, is actually something. The space is a character. White space is a character.
Right. And because it would normally be let's see, that was yeah, it would normally be 7, right,
Mhm.
Michael? Or yeah.
Yep.
But
Yep.
because indexing, it starts at 0 in
Mhm.
computer science.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes. Excellent. Now, if I'm looking for the length of this array, does the length start at 0 or does it not?
No. No.
So would the length show as 11 or 12?
12
That's correct, because the length starts
at
at
1.
1.
Sure does.
Because you can't have a length of 0 if there's something there.
Right.
Yep.
Right.
So we've covered a lot of topics today. Next time we do this, we will cover conditionals. We'll cover building some more complicated programs, and we'll cover some really more in-depth topics.
Yes. So if you guys like this, then subscribe.
So, okay, here is the last part of this segment, and I'm going to do this every time. You ready?
You sure?
Pop quiz.
Oh crap. We need to set Michael. Oh my god, if we edit this, we need like a pop quiz sound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What keyword is used for creating a loop that we've covered today? You said 4?
Yeah.
That is correct.
Yes. Yes.
What command is true or false? The print statement is a function. True or false? Yes. True or false? The print statement has always been a function.
False.
Correct.
Python 2, you had to do the quotes.
Yep, it just was print space double quote double quote. It was a keyword, just like in the basic programming language.
It was.
The keyword to create a function is what?
Def.
Yes. True or false? A function cannot be assigned to a function cannot be returned to a variable.
False.
True, you're correct.
Oh wait, I am.
I was about to say true. I'm like, oh no, that's
okay. Okay.
So yeah, you're correct.
Okay.
It can be assigned to. It can be returned to a variable.
Okay.
I did that earlier. Okay. Let's see. What else did we cover? I know you know this, so I'm going to ask. Um, what variable type is Boolean?
True or false? Well, like,
Yes, you're right.
yeah.
0, 1, true, false, yes, no, on, off.
Yes.
How many characters can make up a string?
How many? Unlimited.
You're correct. What's the smallest number that can make up a string?
Well, 0. Like one character, but 0 index. Like a space.
Well, that's correct, but one character.
Okay.
That's what I was looking for.
Okay.
Um, okay,
Okay.
good to go.
Good to go. All right, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed this. We're going to be posting this as a podcast and on GitHub. So go ahead and check it out once we get it all posted and things, and we'll probably do that tomorrow. But we're going to do a late night insomnia cookies run. But I hope you guys have had a great stream. Hope you guys learned a lot, and I can't wait to do more of this.
Yep.
It's going to be great. So yeah, have a great night, everyone.
Screen share.
Bye, everyone.
End meeting or leave meeting.
Are we
End
ready?
meeting.